Good day everyone, Chris here. Some updates for August. I know it's been a bit of a break from updates, a lot of stuff going on. And as things are coming in, things are leaving, so lots of transitions. The eclipse, big eclipse coming up on Monday. My advice is watch it. Use protective glasses, of course. If you can't find any goggles, go to a local hardware store maybe and find some replacement glass for the big welding mask. You can get the replacement glass. It's like only $5 or something like that. Use something of that nature. Stay grounded with it. Watch it in bare feet on the grass, on the soil, on the sand, by the ocean. Just stay grounded, okay? You want to be grounded. Some big updates that are coming around because of the eclipse are going to be releasing a lot of energy, and it all boils down to a reptilian type of thing. Some archon stuff too is coming up. Now, our souls were trapped in a 3D trap, and this trap is one of the Hadron Collider in CERN, Switzerland, is a tensor field, and it's trapping our souls into the 3D matrix. So that is going to be releasing a lot of our soul energy so we can ascend. Okay, this is what it's all about, is the ascension process. Means our souls are going to be released so they can ascend. What we've also done is found within the RNA of our body. Now everybody focuses on the DNA, which is very important. The RNA, if you look at illness different ways, there's something called a viroid. Now, then we're going to go back a little bit. The nanotechnology that we all talk about, nanobots, nanites, blah, blah, blah. If you look on the internet at bacteriophage, P-H-A-G-E, bacteriophage, you look at a scanning electron microscope view of this thing, it looks like a robot, it looks like something not of this earth, and this infects the cells, infects the bacteria within our bodies with an RNA virus called a viroid. A viroid is an RNA virus with a mutation to it. There's a couple strands that are not connected, and you can relate this to, they relate this to potatoes. Okay, if you find a potato that is very disformed, elongated, it's not its normal form, it contains this viroid. So the viroid affects plants. We eat plants. So what we've done today is cleared out viroid from our RNA, which releases a lot of reptilian energy, and in the core of that RNA is a lot of archon activity. So we released a lot of archons from the core RNA, which is going to create more changes, more differences. Now within our DNA, so a lot of people have been speculating for years that as the ascension happens, we're going to increase the strands, number of strands. It's not so much the strands that are going to increase, it's the amount of pairs of chromosomes. That is going to increase from a 23, let's say, to a 32. So more pairs of chromosomes is more so what we want to go for. So if your intent is to increase the number of strands, well, good luck with that one, okay? It's not so much going to happen. It's more of the chromosomes. More good chromosomes are going to be coming up. So a lot more different connections will be coming up, and it's a lot of stuff to do with the astral body, okay? 7 to 10 different levels of the astral body. These are possibilities, and it hasn't happened yet, but these are possibilities, is that the first astral will contain our chakra system. So the chakra system will come out of the body into the astral so it can ascend. The second astral body is our infinite now, and that's where manifestation happens. The third is going to be the DNA template. Fourth, higher self of source. The fifth is the kundalini connection to source. Sixth astral is going to be protection. We're going to have protection from all this stuff. Seventh astral is our traveling body, so we can astral travel, and so on. There'll be more coming up, maybe some corrections with this, but that's kind of the gist of it for right now. So the viroids is a very big concern. The bacteriophage is a big concern. And this also creates something called the prion. The prion protein, which is a buildup of protein that gets into the brain, gets into the nervous system, causes all kinds of issues of dementia, Alzheimer's, and that type of thing. This is all on the internet. It's very well documented. The viroid, the bacteriophage, the prions, those three are a very big consideration right now. We're really dealing with a lot of that. Our astral body may be connected to a star of some kind. We may be having this connection, so we're going to be reviewing that. The star body, okay, we're going to have a star body, which is connected to the will of source. So if you're trying to will something to happen, if that star body is activated, that will is going to be coming through that astral body, will of source. Tons of stuff happening right now. It's it's been a ride. Okay, the last couple of weeks have been stuff coming in, stuff coming out. What else has been happening? Nottingham, England has got some kind of really huge healing vortex. Been doing a lot of work there with people, getting incredible results really fast. And so I've contributed to some very big healing vortex in Nottingham, England. We're connecting to our home planet, whatever that may be. Lots of spells, reptilian spells like crazy are just lifting and going and going and going. So it's been, again, it's been a very big a lot of epiphanies. Dormant spells. So if you're somebody who, no matter how many clearings you do, there's always something that comes up. There's stored dormant spells. Stored dormant spells within our soul, within our infinite now, and our body, that as you take them away, more come up. It's like a revolving door of spells. So if you intend to remove the stored dormant spells, and then you go after all the active spells, it tends to get rid of everything. So right now, lots of movement. After Monday, after the eclipse, there's going to be a lot of dust in the air, a lot of stuff coming and going. So there may have to be a settling period where we can find more stuff. But let me tell you, things are going to get crazy. Things are going to get good. So just stay grounded, stay positive. Infinite love is what we want to bring in. Not love, infinite love. This is Chris Kehler. We are out.